मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंख से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। जय देवभूमि, जय उत्तराखंड। जी रया जागी रया वीकली न्यूज 16 सितंबर 2024 में आपका स्वागत छू। The RIMT entrance examination for admission of boys and girls to Class 8 for the July 2025 term will be held at specified centers within the country on 1st December 2024, Sunday. For more information visit https://rimc.gov.in। ठंडो रे ठंडो मेरा पहाड़े की हवा ठंडो। Second information, join Indian Navy हर काम देश के नाम। Indian Navy SSR Medical Assistant Recruitment 2024 apply online for 022-024 batch. Application window for sailors, SSR, Medical Assistant 022-024 batch open from 7 September to 17 September 2024. About this job. As SSR, Medical Assistant, you will become part of a highly technical organization. You will be required to serve in powerful, modern ships such as aircraft carriers, guided missile destroyers and frigates, replenishment ships and highly technical and fascinating submarines and aircraft. Work environment. You will be made familiar with nursing and first aid. You will also be involved in management of medical stores, dispensaries and ward supervision. Training advancement. Candidates selected will undergo basic training at INS Chilka followed by professional training for medical branch. Qualification requirement. Qualified in 10+2 examination with physics, chemistry, biology, PCB, from boards of school education recognized by Ministry of Education, Government of India, with minimum 50% marks in aggregate and minimum 40% in each subject. Note, candidates who have appeared in Class 12 board exam and are awaiting declaration of results are also eligible to apply provided they fulfill all other eligibility criteria. Such candidates, however, shall only be selected when they produce the original mark sheet during the stage 2 of recruitment process. Internet copy of mark sheet not acceptable, as also such candidates should secure the minimum laid down marks in aggregate as well as in individual subjects for respective category for being eligible to participate in stage 2. Age. The age for SSR, medical assistant, candidates should be between 17-21 years on the day of enrollment. For more information visit https://www.joinindiannavy.gov.in/. भालू लगदू भानुली तेरू माथु माथु हितोनु हे भालू लगदू. Dear students, please like, subscribe and share with friends. Third update, IGNOU July 2024 admission, registration deadline extended to 20th September. Candidates seeking admission to Open Distance Learning (ODL) programs now have until 20 September 2024 to complete their registration. The extended deadline applies to all programs offered in ODL online mode, except for semester-based and certificate programs. Additionally, the last date for re-registration has also been extended to 20th September 2024. with a late fee of 200 rupees for all eligible programs. Websites for admission. Old portal ignuadmission.samarth.edu.in. Online http://ignoupop.smrth.edu.in. Fourth news, RRB NTPC undergraduate recruitment 2024 apply online for 3,445 posts. Government of India, Ministry of Railways, Railway Recruitment Board, RRB, has given a notification for the recruitment of NTPC undergraduate vacancies in different railway recruitment boards, RRBs. Those candidates who are interested in the vacancy details completed all eligibility criteria can apply online. Vacancy details. Commercial cum ticket clerk 2022 posts. Accounts clerk cum typist 361 posts. Junior clerk cum typist 990 posts. Trains clerk 72. Starting date for apply online payment of fee 21st September 2024. Last date for apply online payment of fee 20th October 2024. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe to get new updates from me.